In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Zotero with Notion. So let's get into it. To connect Zotero with Notion, first we need to install a plugin to Zotero. And there are some open source options to get that plugin, but I personally recommend to find that plugin through a Zotero website instead of getting it from other sources. So to do that, first you go to the tools menu, from there plugins. So here from the Zotero plugin directory, by clicking here you can go to their website. From there, if you go all the way down to here, other programs, and then Notero, and that will take you to the GitHub repository. From here you can simply download Notero by clicking on this link. Okay, so now I'm going back to Zotero, and from here we go to tools menu again, from there plugin, and from there go to settings, and then install plugin from file. So here I already have downloaded Notero, and this is the latest version, so I'm just selecting any of them anyway. Okay, so now Notero plugin has been installed to my Zotero. Okay, so now I'm going to the tools, and from there Notero preference. So once you have the Notero plugin installed, then you will have this option, Notero preference. From there, connect to Notion. Okay, so here you have to hit on next, and you can use a template provided by the developer, or you can select your own page from Notero. But just to show you, I'm selecting this. Okay, and now we are copying this code, going back to Zotero and pasting this code. Okay, so now it's connected. From database, here we have to choose Notero Basic, and from here you can select your sync preferences. You may have different folders in Zotero, so you may not want to include all of them to be synced with Notion. So for me, I just select this one, so you just double click on it, and also we check it with Notion. As you can see, there is a page now, it's called Notero Basic, that has been installed from the plugin actually. And if we right click here, we will see that under the connection menu that the Notero has been synced here. Okay, so now let's go to here to Zotero, and from there let's say I want to connect this with Zotero, so I right click and then sync to Notion. So that will connect it here. As you can see, it's already here, the bibliography. So now let's say if I change anything in here, the type of item from journal to magazine article, that will eventually change it here as well. As you can see now, it says it's magazine article. Similarly, whatever that we change now in Zotero, it's gonna be changed here as well. And also, let's say I just selected this file, but if you want to select all of them and connect them all with Notion, then you select all of them and then sync to Notion. So friends, this is how you simply can connect Zotero with Notion. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.